Hello all, welcome you all to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. Question number 1. Where was the foundation stone for India's first national cooperative university laid? A. West Bengal, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Rajasthan, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is D. Question number 2. Poshan Tracker app was launched by which ministry? A. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, B. Ministry of Women and Child Development, C. Ministry of Science and Technology, D. Ministry of Rural Development. Correct answer is B. Question number 3. National Institutional Ranking Framework was launched by which ministry? A. Ministry of Education, B. Ministry of Home Affairs, C. Ministry of Tribal Affairs, D. Ministry of Science and Technology. Correct answer is A. Question number 4. Which state government has launched a Shakti Shri program to ensure safety for girls students in colleges and universities? A. Uttarakhand, B. Odisha, C. Gujarat, D. Jharkhand. Correct answer is B. Question number 5. India Skill Accelerator is a joint initiative of the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and which organization? A. European Union, B. International Monetary Fund, C. World Economic Forum, D. United Nations Development Programme. Correct answer is C. Question number 6. What is the name of the anti-terror operation launched by the Indian Army that led to the elimination of the Pahalgam attack mastermind? A. Operation Trinetra, B. Operation Mahadev, C. Operation Rakshak, D. Operation Suraksha. Correct answer is B. Question number 7. What is the name of the operation launched by the Indian Army and Jammu and Kashmir Police against terrorists ahead of the Amarnath Yatra 2025? A. Operation Shakti, B. Operation Vijay, C. Operation Bihali, D. Operation Sindhu. Correct answer is C. Question number 8. Reclaim Framework is an initiative of which ministry? A. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, B. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, C. Ministry of Coal, D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer is C. Question number 9. National Standards for Civil Service Training Institute 2.0 framework was developed by which government body? A. Capacity Building Commission, B. Indian Institute of Public Administration, C. Ministry of Law and Justice, D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Question number 10. Where was the Gorbia Solar Power Project inaugurated in July 2025? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Odisha, D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is D. Question number 11. Where was India's first Make in India 1 megawatt green hydrogen plant commissioned? A. Kandla Port, B. Visakhapatnam Port, C. Chennai Port, D. Mumbai Port. Correct answer is A. Question number 12. Which union territory organized the educational and cultural tour Arohan Dweep to Delhi? A. Lakshadweep, B. Puducherry, C. Jammu and Kashmir, D. Andaman and Nicobar Island. Correct answer is D. Question number 13. Where was India's first all-women clean street food hub named Molly inaugurated? A. Bangalore, B. Hyderabad, C. Mumbai, D. Chennai. Correct answer is C. Question number 14. What is the name of the 11-week cleanliness mission launched in Kurukshetra, Haryana? A. Swachh Bharat Mission Kurukshetra, B. Swachh Kurukshetra, Mera Kurukshetra Mera Abhiman, C. Haryana Clean City Drive, D. Kurukshetra Sudh Abhiyan. Correct answer is B. Question number 15. Which city has become the first in Madhya Pradesh to receive the C2 IGBC Green City Platinum certification? A. Indore, B. Bhopal, C. Gwalior, D. Ujjain. Correct answer is A. Question number 16. Mission Mausam was launched by which ministry? A. Ministry of Tourism, B. Ministry of Earth Science, C. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, D. Ministry of Science and Technology. Correct answer is B. Question number 17. What is the name of the India's first indigenous platform dedicated to promoting young entrepreneurship? A. Startup India Hub, B. Innovation Bharat, C. Campus Tank, D. Youth India Fund. Correct answer is C. Question number 18. Which state government has announced a rupees 1000 monthly allowance for unemployed youth under Chief Minister's Self-Help Allowance Scheme? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. Gujarat, D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is B. Question number 19. According to the Central Pollution Control Board 2023 report, which state has the highest number of polluted river stretch? A. Maharashtra, B. Jharkhand, C. Karnataka, D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Question number 20. What is the name of the mobile application launched by Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Veterinary Education and Research for rabies surveillance? A. Rabies Care App, B. Rabies Tracker River App, C. One Health Rabies App, D. Rabies Watch App. Correct answer is B. Question number 21. Where was the 10th National Level Pollution Response Exercise conducted in July 2025? A. Mumbai, B. Visakhapatnam, C. Kolkata, D. Chennai. Correct answer is D. Question number 22. National Tele-Mental Health Program was started by which ministry? A. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, B. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, C. Ministry of Women and Child Development, D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer is A. Question number 23. The Skilling for AI Readiness program was launched by which ministry? A. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, B. Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, C. Ministry of Science and Technology, D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer is B. Question number 24. Loktak hydroelectric project is located in which state? A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Manipur, C. Assam, D. Sikkim. Correct answer is B. Question number 25. Indian laburnum is the state tree of which two regions? A. Kerala and Delhi, B. Punjab and Haryana, C. Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra, D. Gujarat and Rajasthan. Correct answer is A. Thank you and I hope you like the video.